How to view locked profile pictures on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you some legal methods to check a locked profile picture on your iPhone. So let's get started. Even if a profile picture is locked, you can sometimes view a larger version by following these steps. Open your Facebook application and simply search for the person's profile which you want to see the profile picture of. Tap on the profile picture. If they have set a public thumbnail, you'll see a slightly larger version. If not, just what you can do is screenshot and zoom if needed for better clarity. This won't work if the user has set full privacy restrictions. Now, let's move on to the next step. The most legal way is by simply sending them a friend request. Simply send them a friend request. Now, if they accept it, you'll be able to see their profile picture. And this is the most straightforward way to see a profile picture of a locked account on Facebook. And that's how you can try to view locked profile picture on Facebook.